Good afternoon, students, and welcome in your computer class. So, as yesterday we have seen the book exercise of our chapter 1, input and output devices. So, today it's time to complete our book exercise, means question answers, right? So, let's solve the question answers from here. So here are your question answers that I have already typed for you. I've just explained and then you can note it down in your notebooks. So here are your question answers. There are 7 question answers. Among them, the first one is define the term input devices and name any two. Means here we have to give the definition of input device and then we have to give the example of two input devices. So the devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. Got it? All the devices by which we can give data and instruction, that are input device. So the same thing we are going to write here. The devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. Is it clear? Then the two devices are, and here we will write the two devices, any two you can write. Among them, the two which are the common that we have written only, keyboard and mouse. Other than, you can write any of them, means a scanner, light pen, digital camera, joystick, many are there. Now let's move to the second question. What is a printer? Now here it is asking for printer and name the types of printer. So in chapter we have seen that printer is an output device, right? Printer is output device and it gives output, but it gives output on paper, right? This is only the work. So in the same manner we can define it. A printer is an output device. Okay, a printer is an output device. It prints output. आउटपुट डिवाइस तो है बट किस काइंड की या किस यूज़ के लिए, तो यू कैन राइट इट प्रिंट्स आउटपुट ऑन टू अ पेपर. ये प्रिंट आउटपुट को कहाँ देता है हमको, प्रिंट करके ऑन अ पेपर. सो दिस इज द डिफाइन ऑफ प्रिंटर. नाउ 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिंटर. The 3 types of printer are, we know there are 3 type of printer. The first one is dot matrix, which is having pin and by impacting on paper prints, right? The second one is inkjet, which prints with the spray of ink. Then the other one is laser printer, that print with the help of dry ink powder, है ना. So these are the 3 types of printer, but here we need not to explain dot matrix, inkjet and laser, है ना. In the answer you need only to write down the name. It is asking for name only, so that's why we have written only the name: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Okay, now let's move to the third one. What is the use of light pen? What is the use of light pen? As I told you, light pen is the input device that is used to that is used just like a mouse to select, to point, to open. The only difference that with light pen we can directly select from the screen, and by mouse the arrow is controlled by then output device that is working outside of the screen. So that is the only difference. So here you will write a light pen is a pen like pointing device. It is like a pen, so that's why we have written pen like pointing device, and it is used to select objects on the display screen. डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन पर ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए वी कैन यूज दिस लाइट पेन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन हार्ड कॉपी एंड सॉफ्ट कॉपी. सो हार्ड कॉपी एंड सॉफ्ट कॉपी इज वेरी simple. Soft copy, that we can, the output that we can see on the monitor, and hard copy, the output that we can have it on paper, right, so that we can touch it like a paper. So how will you write this? First you will write the heading hard copy, then you can write output that is printed on a paper is called hard copy. Output is what? Output that is printed on paper is called hard copy, and soft copy is opposite. Output that displays on the monitor. आउटपुट जो होता है मॉनिटर पर क्या होता है? डिस्प्ले होता है और प्रिंटर से प्रिंट होता है. तो हियर वी विल राइट आउटपुट दैट डिस्प्लेज ऑन द मॉनिटर इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. So this is fifth. What is the use of CPU? Name its part. Now we need to tell the use of CPU. तो हमको पता है CPU is the what? Brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer, and because it is a brain, so it does all the processing work. Means whatever the work we are giving to the computer will be done by CPU itself. So here we have written CPU is the brain of a computer. It does all the processing as per the instruction. आपने जितनी और जैसी उसको instructions दिए हैं उनके according वो data process करके और आपको result provide करता है. तो these are the processing or use of CPU. Now parts of CPU. So we know that there are three parts of CPU. One is ALU, means arithmetic logic unit. Second, CU means control unit, and third, MU means memory unit. Now the sixth one, what do you understand by a monitor, and name its type. So as we know that monitor is one of the main parts, so that's why we have written here monitor is one of the main part of computer, and it is also an output device, right? So that's why we have written it is an output device that displays all the work of user. तो मॉनिटर एक तो आउटपुट डिवाइस है और वो क्या डिस्प्ले करती है? वर्क दैट वी डू. सो दैट्स वाई ऑल द वर्क ऑफ यूजर, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग द रिजल्ट विल कम. सो दैट रिजल्ट ऑल्सो. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव रिटन it is an output device that displays all the work of user along with output. Clear? Now types of monitor are three types of monitor we know. Just like a printer, it is also having three types: CRT monitor, then LED monitor, and LCD monitor. So these are the three monitors. Now here are two more devices are given to explain their use. One is microphone and another one is digital camera. So microphone is input device, digital camera is also input device, but what is the difference? Microphone is used to record sound into a computer, and digital camera is used to record videos and send it to WhatsApp, right? So send it to not only but WhatsApp but wherever, right? So on digital camera, whatever the recording you are doing, videos or pictures, we can send them into a computer, right? Chaliye, so these are all our question answers that we have done. So we have done all 7 question answers of chapter 1. Now in next period we are going to discuss our chapter 2. Got it? So that's all for the day. Have a nice day. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.